In this tutorial video, you will learn to collect color information from the map. When clicking the Palette button on the Tools menu, the Raster Color Information panel opens. The raster layers are listed in the Open panel. There is also a General option. The layer you want to collect color is selected from the options. In the General option, color information of whatever is on the map at that moment can be collected, including vector layers. After the layer selection of General selection is made, the color collection process is activated when the Collect Color button is clicked. Color collection can be stopped with the Stop button. When we collect color on the map, a layer called Color Information is created in the layer box. The collected color information is included in the attribute table of this layer. The attribute table contains information of which layer the color is collected from, RGB color space value, hex color space code, and latitude and longitude information. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.